makita ko ninyo, but it's currently 7 a.m. in the morning. And maglaag ta karong adlaw kauban na ako ang high school friends, mga tumigsapa, mga ligumig-sapa, and you are coming with us. So yeah. See you there.
A few moments later.
I'm just gonna do my makeup, like quick makeup. I'm just gonna put blush because lalo sila sa meet-up place. And I'm just gonna go brush my teeth. Time is running and yeah.
A few inches later.
Wala guys. Mag alas 10 na guys. And grabe na kay kaigang. Lamin na kay ihulom og bugnaw tubig. Ganyan na namin diri sa kilid sa dalan. Gahulat mi sila. Ambot asa sila. And dili na mo sila makontak. Kay walay signal. Diri sa lugar. Ganito pala sa Tagbalugo.
Init.
Mainit, payapa, pero walang signal. Balik ra ko guys. Og makita na namo sila. We are currently hiking. From kaadto dito.
Without a stone, talk to throw a bone.
Hi guys. So nana mi dire, wala mi dito sa famous spot. Wow! Yeah, I know right? Thank you. Wala mi dito sa famous spot, na mi dito sa mga exclusive. Yeah, right.
Saan mo magluto?
Dire gi oh.
Head over the faucet, you're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor and lady made her cry. Been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home.
Basically every touch guys. I love it. This is girlyhood.
The offering is never bleak. I'm listening in like a kid. Just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough, you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about a half-cut, ate a metaphor and lately made her cry. My luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. The offering is never bleak. I'm listening in like a kid. Just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough, you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following.
Namalhin me because wala na kay tao karon. Kanina dagan kay tao, but karon namalhin me kay wala. So as the meantime, we're just gonna enjoy the nature and bond with my friends because dugay na po din kay me makagtapok balik. But guys, show up as much as you can because puhon, magka-family, magka-trabaho, dili na gyud kanang parehas. Karon mga bata pa ta, malag-lag pa na to ang kanang mga places na gusto na tulagan. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy and see you pag muli na.
Short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. Short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth. Got everything, and I can't believe
1 hour later.
how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, it's under my skin. I got careless thoughts, let you back in, but why do this again and again and again?
Muna may kaon guys! So yeah. But guys, Hoy! Kulira! Mga sirok!